In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect VPN in Opera browser. Opera includes a built-in VPN that routes only your browser traffic through an encrypted connection, which can add a layer of privacy and help when a site is restricted in your region. It's quick to turn on, and you don't need any extra extensions. First, open the Opera browser on your computer. Make sure it's up to date so the VPN feature appears as shown. On the left sidebar, look for the gear-shaped settings icon and click it. This takes you into Opera's settings, where you can adjust privacy and security features. If your sidebar looks different, don't worry, settings is also available from the main menu, and the path is the same once you're in. Inside settings, find the VPN section. It's typically listed under privacy and security. Click VPN to open its options, then enable it with the toggle. The moment you turn it on, Opera adds a VPN button to the top of your browser, right in the address bar. That's your control center for connecting and choosing a region. Now, go to the top of the address bar and click the VPN button. In the small panel that opens, switch the connection on if it isn't already, then choose your preferred location. You'll usually see choices like Optimal, Americas, Europe, or Asia. Optimal lets Opera pick the nearest available region for the best speed, while selecting a specific region can help when a site expects you to be in that part of the world. After you choose, give it a moment to connect. You'll see a clear status indicator confirming you're connected. That's all you need to do. A few quick tips as you use it. The VPN affects only Opera, not other apps on your computer. Some websites may ask for extra verification when you switch regions. And if a page doesn't load correctly, you can temporarily turn the VPN off from that same address bar panel and turn it back on when you're done.